Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add blur effect in SnapSeed. Adding a blur effect in SnapSeed can help you emphasize certain parts of your images by making other areas less focused. So here is a step-by-step guide on how you can add blur using SnapSeed on your mobile device. First of all, open the SnapSeed application on your mobile device and then tap on the plus button to open up a photo from your device's camera roll, or simply open up an image that you've previously worked with. Now that you've added your preferred image on your screen, now go ahead and tap on the Tools option at the bottom. From the Tools option, scroll all the way down and tap on Lens Blur at the bottom right. Now that you've added Lens Blur, drag the Lens Blur tool and position the blue circle at the center of the blur effect on your image. Pinch in and out on the blue circle to adjust the size of your blur area. You can adjust the blur effect and make it more oval or circular according to your need. Once you've adjusted the blur effect according to your preference, you can now customize the blur effect. Go ahead and tap on the little timeline icon at the bottom and adjust the blur strength, transitions, vignette strength, and much more. Adjust the slider to add or reduce the effects, and once you are done with it, apply the changes to your image by tapping on the check mark at the bottom right. Now, tap on Export button at the bottom right hand menu and choose your desired export option from Save or Export, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your export process. So that is how you will be able to add blur on SnapSeed. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.